On this episode of the O2 Garage, we are in the Dodge heading north for one of the coolest car cruises in South Australia. All American cars, nothing else but American cars, and we've got the right one. It's called the Zippel Cruise, and you're along for the ride. Let's go. Okay guys, well let me explain what the Zippel Cruise is all about. What it is this. American cars, American cars, American cars. Have a look at this Nova right behind me. SS454, hot rods off the back. We've got an Impala, a Cadillac coming in, a Mustang. We've got Corvettes over here. You name it, it's there. Have a look at the Impala over the other side of the Phoenix there. Stunning array of cars. Just a beautiful night here in South Australia. And what we're going to do is we're going to go for a run with these guys. It goes around Adelaide. It's very unique and it's very boutique. So let's have a look at some cars, go for a cruise. How many Mustangs have you counted so far?
12. Number 12's over there.
So, what number Mustang does this one make, Ruby?
14.
Number 4. Are you counting Mustangs, are you?
There's a nice blue car coming up.
Is there? Alright, well, you tell me what sort of car it is. Come on, see if you can work it.
With fins.
Big with fins?
Ones that Mum likes.
Yeah? What sort of Chevy is it? Is it what colour did you call that?
Blue. Oh,
not teal?
Number 15.
Number 15.
Number 15.
She's easily excited. Yeah, okay, it is. Uncle Ryan, Tom, what are your favourite cars so far?
Probably that over there, that silver Malibu through there.
Silver Malibu?
Yeah.
Tom? What about the hot rod behind you? No? What is that bird noise?
I don't know.
So the cool thing about the Zippel Cruise is that it actually goes around Adelaide, and they give you a full-on map and all that sort of stuff as to where to go. So whilst you're cruising with these cars, you sort of get at least an idea of knowing what's going on. Tonight we're going to head to the northern side, head down to the beach, and then sort of hug the coast a bit and go back to another really cool sort of car park down on what you would call the western side, and we're going to cruise with all these cars. And it's nearly time to go, so let's jump in and go. Alright, so after a bit of a cruise, it's now time for stop number one, and we're out the other side of town, and as you can see, all the cars are rolling in. So it's a little bit cool tonight, as you can probably see. Ruby is wearing the homeless edition of the O2 Garage corporate attire, but always get a hot chocolate and a hoodie. Is that right? Is that the key to success of staying warm? Hoodie.
Hoodie.
That's what happens when you have teenage kids. Alright guys, well we are now at the final stop of the Zippel Cruise here in Adelaide, and all the cars are starting to rock up, which is awesome, and it's been a really good night. A bit chilly, but it's warming up a bit now. There goes a Hyundai flying off in the background. Do us a favour, tell us what your favourite car was in the comment section. Let us know what you saw that you thought was pretty good. Rubes, what was your favourite car?
The white truck with the twin
stacks. Oh yeah, that hot rod truck, What was mine? Probably the gold hot rod, that show elite level gold hot rod. And there's all sorts of awesome things like this 427 Cobra and stuff like that. It's just been a really cool night. So do us a favour, hit like and subscribe, leave us a comment, and whilst you're doing that, when the warm weather's here, wherever you are, wherever state, country you be, make sure you get out and about. The warm weather's here, go and see a car show, take a kid, buy him popcorn chicken, and have a good night. We'll see you next time. What's the story with the guy with the Mazda over there?
That's the third time he's cycled around this car.
Do you think he likes the cars?
I think he thinks it's like a car show and that he can only look in from his car.
But his car's a Mazda 121, aren't they awesome?
Don't you love the Echoes?
It's not an Echo, it's a 121 Mazda.
Oh. Too much popcorn chicken.